How to fix Bluetooth headphones not working in Discord's mobile. So here is how to do it, either it is Android or iPhone. First of all you have to do is restart everything. Turn off your Bluetooth headphones and then turn them back on and restart your phone as well. Then, once you restart it, reopen Discord after rebooting. Then all you have to do is go back to the home screen and tap on the settings app available there. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the Bluetooth and make sure your headphones are connected as audio devices and not just for calls. Now, once you have made sure that your Bluetooth is connected properly, go back to the home screen again. Once you are back to home screen, look for the Discord app and simply tap on it. Then tap on the U icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings at the top right. Then scroll down and tap on the voice option available there. Then there you can see the slider appear in the volume. Make sure it is in max. Then once done this, unpair and repair your Bluetooth headphones. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.